If you need to share a Google Calendar with someone, whether it's for work, school, family planning, or coordinating a project, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Sharing your calendar makes it much easier to keep everyone on the same page, avoid scheduling conflicts, and make collaboration simple. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy Google tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer using your web browser. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com and signing in with the Google account that owns the calendar you want to share. Once Google Calendar loads, take a look at the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find the My Calendars section, which shows all of the calendars connected to your account. If you have more than one calendar, take a moment to find the exact one you want to share. This part is important because if you select the wrong calendar, you may give access to the wrong schedule. After you locate the calendar, move your mouse over it. You should see the options menu appear, usually shown by 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the calendar options. From the menu, click Settings and Sharing. This will open the settings page for that specific calendar where you can adjust privacy, notifications, permissions, and sharing controls. On this page, scroll down until you find the Shared With section. This is where Google lets you add people who should have access to your calendar. Now click Add People and Groups. A box will appear where you can enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type their email carefully so the invitation goes to the right person. If you're sharing with a team or a group account, you can add multiple people depending on how you want to manage access. Next, click the Permissions drop-down menu. This is one of the most important parts of the process because it decides what the other person can do with your calendar. For example, you can allow them to only see free and busy times, see all event details, make changes to events, or even manage sharing permissions depending on the level of access you choose. Make sure you pick the option that matches your needs before sending the invite. Once you've selected the correct permission level, click Send to finish. Google Calendar will then send an invitation to the email address you entered. After the person accepts the invitation, your calendar will be shared based on the permissions you chose. That's it. You've now shared a Google Calendar successfully. This is a simple but powerful feature that can save time and make coordination much easier. Whether you're sharing a personal calendar with family or a work calendar with your team, these steps will help you do it quickly and correctly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.